Hey, pretty girls! Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the art of self-care and mindful living. Today, I'm excited to share with you a unique and aesthetic morning routine designed to kickstart a productive day. Before diving into the video, I would highly appreciate if you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have you ever noticed how the first moments of your day can set the tone for everything that follows? Beginning your day with positivity can be a game changer, influencing your mood, energy levels, and overall outlook. When you wake up and choose positivity, you're setting a powerful intention. This mindset helps you approach challenges with a calm and focused perspective, making it easier to navigate the ups and downs of life. Whether it's a simple morning gratitude practice, a peaceful meditation session, or even just enjoying a quiet cup of tea, these moments can create a ripple effect throughout your day. By cultivating a positive morning routine, you're investing in your happiness and setting yourself up for success. So let's dive into some simple yet impactful practices to transform your mornings and enhance your daily productivity. 1. Waking up early. Starting your day an hour or two before your usual routine offers a peaceful, unhurried start. It gives you time, plan your day, and center your thoughts, boost productivity, enhance focus, and set a positive tone for the day. Waking up early isn't just about getting ahead, it's about creating a calm and intentional start to your morning. 2. Hydration rituals. Start your day with a refreshing hydration ritual. Begin by drinking a glass of water with a slice of lemon. This simple practice helps kickstart your metabolism, aids in digestion, and provides a gentle detox for your body, flushing out toxins. Hydrating first thing in the morning replenishes the fluids lost overnight and wakes up your system. Plus, vitamin C in lemon boosts your immune system and provides a gentle wake-up call for your senses. By starting your day hydrated, you enhance your skin's natural glow and improve mental clarity, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Remember, a well-hydrated body is the foundation for a healthy, vibrant life. Cheers to a revitalizing start. 3. Mindful stretching. Begin your day with mindful stretching. As you awaken, gentle stretching enhances blood flow, revitalizing your muscles and joints. It increases flexibility, reducing the risk of injury throughout the day. Mindful stretching isn't just physical, it's a mental reset. This intentional practice prepares your mind for the day ahead, fostering clarity and focus. Incorporating these stretches into your morning routine takes just a few minutes, but yields lasting benefits. Embrace mindful stretching to start your day with energy, peace, and balance. 4. Morning skincare routine. Taking care of your skin is an essential part of self-care. Start with natural, eco-friendly products that nourish and hydrate your skin. Gentle cleansers, toners, hydrating serums, and protective moisturizers work together to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Remember, your skincare routine is not just about looking good, but also about feeling good. Treat your skin with love, and it will love you back. 5. Healthy breakfast. Start your day with a nutritious and visually appealing breakfast. Try a vibrant smoothie bowl or a delicious avocado toast. A balanced breakfast fuels your body and mind, providing the energy and focus needed to tackle the day ahead. Embrace the benefits of starting your morning right with a wholesome meal that sets the tone for a productive and energized day. 6. Journaling, planning, and setting goals. Start your day by spending a few moments writing in a journal or planner. Focus on gratitude journaling, reflecting on what you're thankful for, and setting positive intentions for the day ahead. Next, set 2 to 3 achievable goals for the day. By breaking your tasks into small, manageable goals, you can create a sense of accomplishment and momentum. These small wins contribute to a productive and fulfilling day. Embrace the power of journaling and goal setting to enhance your daily routine, bringing clarity, focus, and positivity into your life. So this was a glimpse of a unique aesthetic morning routine. I hope you found inspiration to start your day with beauty and intention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more serene self-care tips from Dreamscape. See you in the next video. Bye!